Hey, it's Sandy Nyack here. Let's face it, if you're doing anything online, you need quality content that attracts buyers' attention and converts them into lifetime happy customers. Whether you have a website, a sales page, a sales funnel, a blog, training your students, willing to boost your existing business on social media, or almost anything in the digital marketing universe, you can't ignore the huge worth of having search engine optimized content at any cost. But the real problem is, creating quality content that separates you from the rest is not like taking a morning walk in the park, as there are tons of problems in your way, like creating 100% SEO optimized content needs countless hours of writing and lots of research. Outsourcing it to freelancers costs thousands of dollars and is a time-consuming task. Getting high search engine ranking with low-quality content for your offers is practically impossible. If you're thinking about going to third parties, let me warn you, as they are darn expensive and charge whooping amounts. And last, testing the quality of content created is a cumbersome and complex process. Even after all this, there's no guarantee that your content will convert and will give desired results. Now, just imagine, what if you could say goodbye to all this and generate 100% unique and search engine-friendly marketing content for thousands of niches for a low one-time price within minutes, and drive tons of red-hot traffic to any offer in any niche, without paying huge monthly fees or yearly recurring fee forever. If you're standing there saying yes, I've got some great news for you today. Presenting Contentio. Next generation AI technology creates 100% unique and search engine-friendly marketing content in any niche for a low one-time price. With Contentio, even newbies can quickly and easily create hypnotizing content that captures audience attention and drives real traffic to your websites, blogs, etc. in just 3 easy steps. Number 1, search. Number 2, create posts. Number 3, monetize with CPAs and affiliate products. And that's it. You're done. Here are some of the countless benefits you get with Contentio. Create 100% plagiarism-free marketing content in 3 easy steps. Start your own profitable content marketing agency with no prior tech or marketing skills. Customize and publish relevant, high-impact content to multiple blogs, websites, and social media simultaneously. Create unlimited professional, attention-grabbing content in minutes for 250 plus hot niches with ease. Forget learning multiple complex software and technology to create real content that works. Say goodbye to writing a single word or hiring expensive freelancers. Never worry for getting caught by Copyscape or other plagiarism-checking platforms. Create attention-grabbing content in 7 major languages with zero hassles. Get more exposure for your offers and dominate your competition at will. Easy-to-use dashboard to manage everything with ease, and tons of others when you grab your access. Contentio works smartly for everyone, including affiliate marketers, email marketers, digital product sellers, video marketers, coaches, trainers, e-com store owners, small business owners, and almost everyone working in digital marketing world. Take my word, if you're tired of going nowhere and want to take complete control of your business, then Contentio is the happy ending for your constant search. What else could you ask for? Now I'm sure all those benefits would have left you amazed, but hurry, don't let this massive opportunity of releasing all your dreams slip away through the cracks. Please don't go back to wasting money and time in tools that simply don't work, as your purchase is covered by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. There's nothing to worry about at your end. The only thing remaining is to go ahead and take action. But hurry. Once this special time period gets over, Contentio will be available for a premium monthly fee only. So, stop thinking and grab Contentio today at the lowest price ever. This one-time offer will never be available again. Good luck, and we'll see you on the inside.